Exercise number 24, PLD book. This dictation recorded by Agshar Ali, stenographer. Ready. As is apparent from the reply to the show cause notice, the warranty assured the customers of replacement of the defective parts within the agreed period or the mileage free of charge, which fact was not rejected in the orders of all the forums, full stop. The contract of sale in the present case related to composite supply of vehicle and the service for replacement of defective parts, full stop. Both were bundled in one contract, full stop. The auto parts were supplied free of charge to the customers by the applicant under the warranty, and the time of such replacement no separate consideration was charged, for the reason that consideration of such parts formed an integral part of the price of the contract, which was received at the time of sale, full stop. It is thus axiomatic that sales tax charged and paid on the contractual consideration at the time of supply of motor vehicle included such tax on auto parts to be replaced under the warranty, full stop. In other words, the cost of warranty replacements was incorporated in the price of the motor vehicle on which sales tax had already been paid, full stop. Absent the consideration in such transaction, it does not fall under the definition of supply as contained in the act at the relevant time, full stop. Given the fact that the replacement of auto parts under the warranty did not form part of supply of taxable goods, the reliance by the learned counsel for the respondents on the definition of taxable supply is not apt, full stop.